Alright, I figured I'd make a quick video showing how to install our fourth brake light for this is a 2017 BRZ. Should be the same thing for all the FRS and 86s, I'm assuming. However, our wiring I think is different from overseas where they actually have a fourth brake light already, where ours is just a reverse light. Anyways, so to route it, since nobody else has shown how to really do it, you're going to run the wires and everything through the car like the video on the listing shows. What we're going to do different though is when you plug it in to the bottom clip there's a blue wire that connects to that actual harness there. You're just going to pull that out and you're going to run it up through here back towards your actual tail light plug-in. So this is my tail light plug-in. So what this is the green wire for the tail light harness here is actually your brake light. So this blue light is going to be your brake light, which is this red part. Now to do your daytime runners, that is the red wire here. So this green piece that they actually give you here to plug in with this harness, you can pretty much throw that harness out because you're not going to use it. So just clip this off, go get yourself some tap splices, and you're literally going to tap into the red wire and connect the green one to the red one, which is just going to make your daytime runners, and then you're going to tap the blue one into the green one, which is going to be your brake light. So ultimately that's all you're going to have to do. Put it back together and it's done, and literally this will be your daytime runners, then your brake light, and then you'll obviously have your reverse, which will still work because it's hooked up into the harness. So hopefully that helps some of you guys with the Amazon listing. So yeah, that's the best I can do. Good luck. It's super easy. Only took me about another 10 minutes to do it, but you can do it, so good luck.